In this video, you'll learn how to protect your content in WordPress. If your website contains sensitive or confidential information such as user data, financial details, or proprietary content, protecting it is essential to avoid data breaches and potential legal issues. For this functionality, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Hover over Plugins and click on Add a new plugin. Search for WP Content Protection and no right-click. From the list of various plugins, this is the plugin that we're looking for. So simply click on Install Now, and once installed, click on Activate. You can see the plugin has been installed and activated. Now let's configure the plugin by clicking on Copy Protection in the sidebar. And here you can see various settings that this plugin offers. This is the basic protection layer that uses JavaScript to protect the posts and homepage content from being copied over by another website author. Make sure everything's enabled. You can adjust settings as per your requirement. And once done, click on Save Settings. Now let's visit the site and check the plugin in action. When we right-click or try to copy the content, visitor will see this alert. And this is how easy it is to protect your content in WordPress. Before leaving, you can also learn how to add a reading progress bar in WordPress posts. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.